Okay, today we are going to do a glowing volcano. It is going to have glowing powder with water, and we're going to use baking soda and citric acid. First, 2 scoops of baking soda.
How's it going up there?
Pretty good. It's getting nice and charged up.
Let me see.
Then 1 big scoop of citric acid. A little more citric acid. That was a tiny scoop.
Big scoop. Now big.
That's more like it. 1 more scoop.
That's plenty.
Okay, I'm ready, Dad.
Mix it up real good.
Wait, oh, I forgot the mixing.
Mix it up real good.
Let me see. I want some. Okay, right.
Dad, do you think it's ready?
Is it good and mixed?
And then mixing about a little.
Is it?
Should we go for it?
Yeah.
All right.
Ready.
Lights.
Blow the light.
All right, pour it in.
It's going. Turn off that light, please.
Nice.
It's going to explode. In 3, 2, 1. Blah.
Whoa, it's like ooze and goose.
Glow.
No.
It's glowing like a skeleton. Oh, there's still some here.
Whoa. It's a glowing volcano. Mix it around with your finger. Get up all that gooey stuff mixed up.
Lights on?
No, leave it off. Okay, lights on. See me next time on Dr. J's Start Experiments.